Looking for the best property management software in 2025? Whether you are a vacation rental host, a property manager, or just starting out, choosing between Lodgify, Guesty, and Hostaway can be tough. In this video, we'll break down the pros, cons, and pricing and reveal which one wins in 2025. And for now, let's go. Lodgify. Lodgify stands out for its all-in-one website builder and direct booking tools. It's perfect for small to medium property owners who want more control over their brand. Pros: easy setup, customizable websites, direct booking engine, solid integrations. Cons: limited automation features and less advanced for large-scale operations. Pricing starts around $13 per month per property when billed annually. Very budget-friendly. Guesty. Guesty, the enterprise beast. Guesty is designed for professional property managers with multiple listings across platforms. It offers automation, multi-channel management, analytics, and even guest communication AI tools. Pros: super scalable, advanced automation, 24/7 guest support, robust reporting. Cons: complex setup, pricing isn't public, typically starts at 30 to 5% of bookings, and better suited for big teams. If you are running more than 20 listings, Guesty is a powerhouse, but it might be overkill for beginners. Hostaway. Hostaway, the automation king. Hostaway hits the sweet spot between Lodgify and Guesty. It's built for scaling vacation rental businesses with powerful PMS, channel management, and deep API integrations. Pros: flexible automation, great customer support, excellent Airbnb and VRBO sync. Cons: interface can feel clunky at first, and pricing varies based on needs, usually around $50 per month per property. Ideal for growing businesses that want automation without enterprise-level cost. Final verdict. Now, which one wins in 2025? Choose Lodgify if you want an affordable, beginner-friendly tool with a strong focus on direct bookings. Go with Guesty if you are managing a large team or portfolio and need an enterprise-level solution. Pick Hostaway if you are scaling up and want balance, smart automation, solid support, and multi-platform sync. Winner? It depends on your business size. But for mid-sized managers in 2025, Hostaway offers the best balance of price, power, and automation. Still unsure? Drop a comment down below with your needs and I'll help you exactly decide which one should you go for. And if you found this comparison helpful, please support us with like, subscribe to the channel, leave us a good comment, and share this video with your friends. Thank you for watching and see you in a new comparison video.